Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete an old Facebook account. So, if you have an old Facebook account that you no longer use, whether you've created a new account, stopped using Facebook years ago, or simply want to remove an old profile for privacy reasons, this video will walk you through the process step by step. So, you can either deactivate temporarily or permanently delete it. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device and sign in into the account you want to remove. Next, tap your profile in the bottom right. Then from here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then from the options, select Settings. Once you're on Settings, at the top, select Account Center. And from here, scroll down and tap on Manage Accounts. Then choose the account you want to manage or to delete, then click on Manage. Now tap Deactivation or Deletion. Then from here, you'll see two options. You have Deactivate Account, so this is temporary. Your profile will be hidden, but you can reactivate it at any time by logging back in. And you also have Delete Account. So this is permanent. Your account, profile, photos, videos, and most of your Facebook data will be removed after the deletion process is completed. So choose the option you prefer and tap Continue. So Facebook will ask you to select why you want to delete the account. So select one and tap continue. So Facebook may show a few alternatives or suggestions before proceeding. If you're sure you want to continue, just tap on no, continue with deletion. Then review the information on the screen, then scroll down and tap on continue. So Facebook will ask you to enter your password to confirm your identity and tap continue. Then finally, tap on delete account to confirm the action and your account will be deleted after that. So once you schedule your account for deletion, you have 30 days to cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have. So if you want to cancel the permanent deletion process, you can go to Account Center or by logging into your Facebook account with your email, password, and phone number. And that's basically it. So that's how you can delete old Facebook account. Thank you for watching.